This session is for introducing the eighth chapter in SS2, the resource wealth of India. This resource wealth is divided into three sectors. One, agriculture and agro-based industries. Second, minerals and mineral-based industries. And third is transportation. These are the three prime sectors of the resource wealth of India. Let's discuss the details of the first sector, that's agriculture and agro-based industries. Watch the screen. It gives the details of the cropping seasons of India and its sowing period, harvesting period, and major crops belong to the cropping season. Because Indian agriculture is depends upon the climatic condition of India. So there is some cropping seasons and always the agriculture of India is depends upon these seasons. Generally, the agriculture crops can be divided into two, food crops and cash crops. First of all, we will discuss the details of food crops like rice, wheat, and maize. Then secondly, we will discuss the details of cash crops like fiber crops, beverage crops, spices, and other crops like sugarcane and rubber. All the features or the characteristics of these crops can be written in a table, and that will, now you are watching that table, gives the details of these agriculture crops. Cotton, one of the fiber crops, is very important industrial sector in India. Cotton is known as universal fiber as it's used worldwide in the textile sector. India ranks fourth in cotton production. The cotton textile industry is largest agro-based industry in India. The first cotton textile industry was started at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata in 1818. However, the large-scale production started at Mumbai in 1854. As Mumbai is the center of the cotton industries, it's also termed as Cottonopolis. Then let's watch the screen and find out the factors that influenced Mumbai as the center of cotton textile industry. It is very interesting to know that the sugar mills are always located along with the sugarcane cultivating regions. The sugarcane harvested must be immediately brought to the factories so as to extract the juice out of it. Otherwise, the amount of the sucrose in the sugarcane might decrease. The second sector is minerals and mineral based industries. Watch the flow chart. The minerals are generally divided into two, metallic minerals and non-metallic, and this metallic can also be divided into two, ferrous metals and non-ferrous, and non-metallic minerals are also can be divided into two, mineral fuels and other minerals. And there gives the examples too. Go through the flow chart and find the details. And this is the table for you that gives the details of major mining centers in India and the states that the mining centers belongs. And another chart that gives the table that gives the details of the iron and steel plants in India, place of its location, and the features of the plant. As a metallic mineral, manganese is very important for mineral industries, and these are the features of manganese as a metallic mineral. And this is the table that gives the details of non-ferrous minerals like gold, silver, copper, etc., and the uses of its and major producing states. Coal is one of the major mineral fuel, and watch the screen. These are the features of the coal as the important mineral fuel. Petroleum and natural gas is also prime for the development of industrial sector. And watch the screen, and these are the features of this petroleum and natural gas. And this table gives the details of the major nuclear power plants in India and the states that plants belong. And this is the importance of non-conventional sources of energy. The mineral sources such as we have already discussed, coal, petroleum, etc., are being harnessed by energy requirements since ages. Hence, such energy sources are called conventional sources, and they are exhausted from the earth due to their non-renewable nature. So let's rely on non-conventional energy sources like wind energy, wave energy, tidal energy, biogas, etc. And these they are cheap, renewable, and environment friendly sources.